We come into the new week with currencies thinking about building some momentum against the US dollar after initially trading down in the early portion of last week before recovering in the latter half. We did see some US dollar demand on Friday after Fed bullard threw some cold water on the dovish comments from Fed Williams a day earlier, in which it looked like Williams was telling the market to expect 50 basis points of rate cuts from the Fed. But overall, currencies closed out the week looking better bid against the US dollar. At the same time, US equities relented, rolling over from fresh record highs, with investors less encouraged by central bank and government incentives to be buying stocks now that policy and stimulus tools are so exhausted, and downside risk for negative shocks is becoming something that would need to be given more serious consideration going forward. As we look ahead, Monday's calendar is very light, and we don't expect any of the data to have any impact on market flow. The main event this week comes Thursday, when we hear from the European Central Bank with its latest policy decision. Over in the UK, Tuesday and Wednesday will be worth paying attention to, with Boris Johnson expected to emerge as the winner over Jeremy Hunt, and then to take over as the new PM, replacing Theresa May. As far as the U.S. docket goes this week, we get existing home sales, new home sales, durable goods, and GDP all spread out between Tuesday and Friday, and the market may use this data to help guide speculation about what the Fed does in the following week. That's all for now.